Hey guys, it's Debbie with Cooking with Mammy. And what's your name? Momo with Cooking with Mammy. She's already put in our can of black-eyed peas. We're making Cowboy Caviar. Now she's going to put in a cup of tomatoes. This is Roma tomatoes that you've seeded. Whoops. It's okay. We'll pick it up. We'll pick it up. Yeah, we'll pick it up. Then I will pick it up. Here. Okay, let me get it. It's on her foot, guys. Careful, you're going to fall. And this is about, it calls, guys, it calls for a half a cup of cilantro. I don't like cilantro, so I just put right at 2 tablespoons. Wait a minute, wait. Now don't touch in there. Now this, wait, let me tell them. This is, I use 3 sweet peppers, not bell peppers. I use sweet peppers. A red one, an orange one, and a yellow one, but you don't have to have all 3 colors. And 1 jalapeno seeded and got the veins part out here. Okay. Wait a minute. my sous chef is not liking when anything falls on her foot. Plus, I don't want her to touch these jalapeno peppers. Okay, and then we're going to put in,
She's picking up.
Show them what it is. Put your hand there. White corn, guys. It's the sweeter, the white. Let me show them up close. Can I show them up close and hand it back to you? It's the white corn. Okay. And they're drained.
Is the grease still put in there? I have a bad idea.
Oh, it's not great.
No, when I said go ahead and put it in there.
And the black-eyed peas were drained also, guys. And it's 1 can, 1 15-ounce can, and 1 15-ounce can of sweet corn. Here, let me or you hold it and I'll drain. I'll do it. Okay? And everybody needs a sous chef like Mo. Okay? And then we're gonna have 1 avocado chopped in just little pieces. It's like in just little pieces. And you don't have to have avocado if you don't like it. Scrape that in there. Whoops. Drop one. Got 1 more piece right up here. Right here. Right there. Right there. No, we ain't ready for the red pepper. And 1, I did like, guys, probably a 1/5 of a red onion, I mean. Right there. And it's chopped up teeny tiny. Okay. Scrape it off in there. Whoops. Easy. You have to do easy now. Easy, girl. Get all the way up here. Here, let me help you get it up there. How about that? Whoop. It's okay. We'll get it all up when we're through. Okay, hurry up. Very good, girl.
That's awful. That's awful.
Okay, put our spoon back in there now.
Isn't that?
Okay, now we got to do our juice. Our sauce, rather. Okay? Okay. Ready then? Okay.
You
For
better
our
make
sauce,
that, or it's gonna wind up all.
for our sauce, guys, we have 1/3 cup of olive oil. I'm not going to, that's not olive oil. 1/3 cup of olive oil. I'm not going to measure it. I'll let you do that in just a minute. Just eyeballing 1/3 cup. Okay. 1/3 cup of olive oil. Come back over here. Don't get on close. Now, look here. We got to have 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Hold it over. Look, hold it over there. Hold it over it. And then when I get it full, you empty it in there, okay?
You splashing as much as you get in
It's
there.
all right. Let's do a little bit more. Since I splashed so much in there, we're just going to do a little bit more. 2 tablespoons anyway, guys. That's what you want. Okay. All right. Wait a minute. Okay, and then we need, here, you got this? You want to pour that in there? You don't need the spoon with that. You just pour it out of the bowl. Just pour it out, see it's in there. See? Pour it in there.
Mama,
Well, no, take this. Take this and pour it in there. Pour it in there. No, you got to pour that in there, and then you're going to have to stir it up once we get everything in there. No. We got to put that in there so that we can stir this up and then put it in there. But we're not ready yet. We got to add all this stuff. Okay, well, I'm going to put the 1 teaspoon of sugar, and I did kind of a heaping teaspoon. Then we need 2 tablespoons. Okay, look, you got to dip it with this. 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Pour it in there. Pour it in there. I'll hold this. Let me hold the white bowl.
egg production. It warms them up. I heard all that. Jeff, I can't look at nothing. I haven't cleaned.
Oh, you're doing so good. Scrape it off again. There you go. There you go. Okay, okay. Now, put that down. We're through with that. Now we're going to need a half a teaspoon of salt. We're just going to eyeball it. We'll clean that up. Here, you want to hold this over there? You got, look, you're scaring me. It's got to go right over that. Turn it upside down. Turn it upside down. Here, hold it. Got a half a teaspoon of salt. Then we need a half a teaspoon of pepper. Okay. All right. And then we need a quarter a teaspoon of garlic powder, guys. Garlic powder. Okay, that's it. That's a quarter. That's a quarter. Very good. Now get your spoon. Now you gotta stir it. I just gotta help you, babe. Okay, don't stir too hard. Sonny, can you come in here and give us our chips so we can try it? Okay, you ready to pour it on there? Okay. Let's put the spoon right there. No, you don't need that. No, you're just gonna pick it up and pour it like this. We're gonna by spoon it, guys. Pour it. She's learning. She's learning.
Alright, what you need?
And this for y'all that jumped off late. This is jumped on late. This is Cowboy Caviar. In ours, we put 1 can of black-eyed peas drained, 1 can of sweet corn drained, 1 whole jalapeno seeded and deveined, and cut up in itty-bitty pieces. We do 3 small, and when I say sweet peppers, guys, I'm meaning these, the sweet peppers. I actually looked up and had 1 of each color, red, orange, and yellow, so we use them. Then we use, it says a third a cup of, okay, put that down, a third a cup of cilantro. I don't like cilantro that much, so I only put about 2 tablespoons in ours. Here, like this. No, like this.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
Okay. You think you can do it? Don't do it hard, though. You got to go down and pull it up.
Pull up.
Pull up.
Flip it.
And then I put 4 Roma tomatoes. You do have to seed them and cut them up pretty little. And I like avocado in ours, so we put 1 avocado cut in little chunks. You don't have to put avocado. You don't have to put tomato. Guys, anything you don't like, you can leave out. And then you just mix it up, put it in the refrigerator, let it sit, let it marry. And every time you go to serve it, stir it up first. I'll show you. Can I show them up close what it looks like? Okay, sure. Sure. Okay. And there we go, guys. Cowboy Caviar, our way. I mean, yeah. Oh, you don't mess with knives. Whew, man, better move that thing. Smell it, girl. Where's our chips? Did Mama get them for us? I never got them. You gonna try it? You gonna try it? You just get some on your chip. There you go. Try it. Well, Mammy's gonna try it. See, I'm getting me some in my bowl. In your bowl? Well, you gotta eat it first to have some in your bowl. You gonna try it? Okay, here we go, guys. And listen, if you think you don't like black-eyed peas, well, I'll tell you. You gonna try it? Here, just try it with the corn. You love the corn. My sous chef don't want to eat with me. Take your hand out of there. Oh, here. You want a black-eyed pea? Try it and see if you like it. Tell them if it's good. The black-eyed peas out of it is good, guys. See, thumbs up. So, and then for our sauce, we had 1/3 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 teaspoon of sugar. What, baby? Look, get your hands out of that. Let me get you some in a bowl. Or a plate. Let me get her some in a plate, guys, so she don't have to be digging through it. Now just get the things you like out of it, okay? Your spoon, okay. We're going in here. Here's your spoon and your rice. There. Anyhow. Oh, where was I at? 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. And listen, that is just guidelines. If when you taste it, like I taste it, to me it needs more salt because y'all know I like salt. So I'm going to put more salt because I like more salt. But you just taste it. Those are just the things that make the dressing. The main thing is your olive oil, your red wine vinegar, your lime juice, your sugar, and then the salt, pepper, and even the garlic powder is kind of to taste. Based on what you like, based on how you like it. I want a little more salt, so I'm gonna put more salt on mine. But, got stuff all over me. But you can use frozen corn and thaw it, of course. I guess you could even use homemade black-eyed peas. I've always canned black-eyed peas is just better for it to me. Like I said, some people don't like the avocado. Leave that out. But it's good, guys. It's good. All right. That's it. My sous chef's done left me, so I'm going to get me a bowl. Oh, okay, baby, just a minute. I'm going to get me a bowl and sit in there and eat because this is my lunch. All right. Love you guys.